pizza ever!
Are we gonna go for a walk? Are we going for a walk? Are you so excited? Where are we going? Oh my goodness, you guys. Today's video, let's see if we can get, there we go, adjust to the lighting. Today's video has just been such an impromptu vlog, and it's been such a lovely, just healthy, wonderful day. And I'm so glad I got to spend it with you guys. I just got home from the grocery store. We had to unpack some groceries. This was not a big grocery haul. We really wanted to make pizza tonight. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make a healthy pizza and like a low FODMAP, SIBO, gut-friendly pizza recipe, so stay tuned, it's gonna be good. As you guys saw earlier, we took Liv and the dogs on a creek trail walk. Let me put Phoebe out because she's just gonna go. Her and Linus are just lost without each other. They love each other so much. So Liv settled down just like watching a show, and I'm gonna put away some groceries, and then I'm gonna go do some yoga outside. Then we're gonna have dinner, and I think we're gonna have pizza by the fireplace outside. So I'll bring you guys along with that. You guys wanna see like a quick grocery haul? Let's just do a quick grocery haul. Like I said, this is not my big grocery shop. We just wanted to make pizza, and then Doug's gonna be out of town tomorrow, and so Liv requested salmon and rice, so I picked up some salmon and just some like little veggies and eggs and stuff that we needed to like fill up the refrigerator with more veggies. So I'm gonna set you guys down, and then I'll show you guys like a little haul of what we got. Is this a weird angle? It was a funny angle. Name that movie. If you know that movie, we're friends. Okay, so let's get out of this. Please excuse all the whatever in the background. It's just, we've been out of the house like all day, and that's life. So I just got some more eggs because we eat eggs every day, and it's easy, quick protein. I love it. I got some zucchinis. I've been doing zucchini, bell pepper, and mixed greens, like saute that up in the morning with eggs. It's just been like my thing lately. I've been trying to incorporate more servings of vegetables into my diet every single day, and that's just one of the ways that I'm doing it. Like I always add greens to at least 2 to 3 meals a day, but I'm trying to incorporate more vegetables, like more of a variety. As you guys saw earlier, I brought carrots and cucumbers as the snack instead of apple, mostly because my doctor wants me to go back on the low FODMAP diet and cut out apples again. So I'm just slowly trying to transition so I'm not like super sad later. Just some lime juice for recipes and stuff. Pomegranate seeds, because Liv has been living for pomegranate seeds. And I found a really cool recipe that's like a kale, butternut squash, pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seed recipe. So maybe I'll make that for the channel, but I have the ingredients for that. So I'm gonna try that this week. So we'll see how it goes. I got some ground beef because I'm gonna make our Cuban picadillo recipe, which I don't know, have I made that for you guys yet? If I haven't, I should make that for you guys because I'm gonna show you the sauce I'm gonna use. This is the sauce that I'm gonna use tonight on my pizza, like as my pizza sauce, because it's a sensitive marinara, so there's no garlic and no onions. This is the only one I've been able to find that does not have garlic or onion in it. And so because I'm not gonna use a ton of it on my pizza, the Cuban picadillo uses that as well. So I just try to like incorporate as many recipes so that I don't waste a ton of sauce. So there you go. I got some no sugar, no nitrate bacon, uncured bacon. Love that. I got some pizza dough for Doug. He's gonna make like breadsticks. And then I just got some salmon for me and Liv tomorrow night. Sweet Hungarian paprika because it's delicious. And we've been using it on burgers a lot. I got a butternut squash. Blueberries were on sale and we eat blueberries by the ton. Some broth for the dogs. I got some dino kale. I'm gonna make some kale chips and do like a healthy food swap. So I'll film making the dino kale chips. Delicious. But if you guys want like a healthy swaps video, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to film that for you. I think that would be really fun. I got some mushrooms just for Doug and Liv's pizza. Cilantro and tomatoes for the Cuban picadillo recipe. Another big mixed greens because, like I said, I put it in at least, it's been 3 meals a day at this point because I eat it for lunch and dinner always. I put it in my smoothie and then I've been putting a handful in my breakfast in the mornings, which has just been nice having more greens in my diet again, and I love it. I got some dates. I love cooking with this. This is an excellent sweetener. The medjool dates, these ones are fantastic. If you guys can get these at your grocery store, they're like ooey gooey delicious. They're like, some of them are like that you get in bulk. They get really dry. These ones are like sticky and delicious. I put them in my smoothies. I bake with them as like a sweetener. I love them and they digest really well in my body. More bananas because we have to show you this. We have like all the stages of bananas in my house right now. So the current banana situation, these need to get frozen because I always keep frozen bananas in my house. These are gonna be good for like banana pancakes if Liv wants banana pancakes. And then these will be ready to get ripened up for later. So all the bananas. We are never without bananas, that's for sure. I got some butter just because oh my goodness, you guys, we have been making I've been making caramel popcorn. We've been making popcorn a couple times a week. It's just been delicious. It's just like a fun sweet treat, but it's like just butter and honey that I make my caramel sauce out of, and it's delicious. I got more coconut oil because coconut oil was on sale and we are almost out of ours. We do a lot of baking with coconut oil and cooking with coconut oil, so it's always nice to have on hand. And then just for Doug and Liv, pizza crusts, and some pizza sauce for their pizza. And I think that's all I got. Oh, and I got them some Parmesan cheese for them. That was my quick little healthy grocery haul. Again, like the amount of packaged food that we get is very minimal, and I like to just stick to whole foods as much as I can. Like I don't count calories, and if I don't have to read a label to make sure that there's not ingredients that I can't eat, then that's the best thing ever. So my goal is like 5 ingredients or less. How many ingredients do you guys have? Whole peeled tomatoes, olive oil, carrots, salt, and celery, and basil. So there's 6 ingredients in this guy. Love that. And I know exactly what's in this. That's what I like when I do like canned or boxed anything. I want to make sure that I know every single ingredient on it, and I don't do like preservatives and sweeteners and all those kinds of things just because they don't work well for me and my body. So that's my little spiel. I'm gonna put all these groceries away really fast, and then we're gonna do some yoga and make some pizza. Okay? So I was thinking about whether I wanted to do a full body day or some yoga. But if I'm completely honest, last week was rough, okay? I was on my period, but my hormones were off. And when my hormones are off, my inflammation levels are so high. And I don't feel like I was in a flare, like I wasn't boggy and anything, but I was just like, the fatigue was insane. I was so tired, like I couldn't get out of bed. 2 mornings, I slept in until like 6:30, which is not me. Like I'm up at 4:35 every morning. Like I'm getting ready to film how to wake up at 5 a.m. like tips and tricks, and it's like I could not get out of bed to save my life. It's just like psoriatic arthritis, fatigue. When my hormones are off, my inflammation levels are higher, and it's rough. So I think I'm gonna, because we did like a walk jog today chasing Liv on the bike for like 1.5 miles, I'm gonna do some yoga. And then tomorrow is Sunday and I'm gonna jump into a full body day tomorrow because I'm ready. I was ready to lift weights yesterday, but I was just exhausted. Like I was like mentally, I was like, I need to move my body. I'm ready to lift some weights, but my body just wasn't there yet. So today we're gonna do some yoga. All right, so we are back from doing some yoga. That was all abs. Like I thought I was gonna do this like 20-minute yoga flow. It was not. It was like all core and my abs are on fire, which is great. It's a good thing. I'm just getting stuff ready to make pizzas. I've got my chicken in the oven. It's taking a little bit longer. I had asked for boneless, skinless chicken thighs and I got bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I'm not sure of the breakdown. Alas, it happens. So that's cooking and I'm just gonna be grating cheese and cleaning up the kitchen, doing dishes and stuff. So let's throw on some tunes and we're gonna just prep for making pizzas and then I'll show you guys like what the pizzas look like and me putting it together. All right? All right, so we've got Liv set up making a pizza. What I use for my pizza crust, because I can't do regular bread, is I use the Siete almond flour tortillas. These digest really well in my body. Use whatever works best for you. But I just do 2 of these guys. This sauce is the best. I love this stuff. And then just all the other little toppings. I think this time I'm gonna try using just like sprinkling just a little bit of this garlic infused olive oil to give it like a little bit more flavor. And then I put a little bit of oregano on the sauce. Liv is like a professional. She layers her pizza. It's like cheese and then ingredients and then cheese and then toppings, and she's my kind of girl. I'm a layer. I love to layer too, but not with these. These ones, you gotta keep them pretty minimal. So yeah, let's make some pizza. Let's go see Liv's pizza and we'll come back to making mine. Show us. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look at this masterpiece. What's under there? Olives, mushrooms. Did you do any zucchini?
I put zucchini on it.
Oh yeah, there's a zucchini. Love it. Oh my goodness, it's perfection. High five. Yeah.
Then I'll show you.
Okay, so in regards to the cheese, I can do a little bit of this mild cheddar. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Nothing crazy. I feel like I can do a little bit every once in a while and it doesn't affect my stomach. So, winning. All right, you guys, so we're gonna cut up the pizza. I'll bring you guys out with us to the fire, but that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this like super chill, healthy, spend the day with me. I so appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this kind of content, it would mean the world to me if you hit that thumbs up and subscribe, because it really supports my channel. And when you guys hit the thumbs up, it just lets YouTube know, but it lets me know that you guys like this kind of content.
I want some.
You wanna give me a cheese?
Best pizza ever.
Are you enjoying the fire? Thank you. It would be amazing if you guys like this video. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe, because it does really support my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.